I think of street takeovers. They're pretty cool. Not really. Think about it. All you're doing is making stricter laws, rules, and regulations for the whole car community. You're making the whole car community look bad so you can have fun. And that's just not right. Cops in areas are already getting more aggressive towards the car community and car enthusiasts. And if I had to take a guess, it's probably because some people think it's a good idea to literally block traffic in the middle of a city and do donuts. If this stuff continues on, essentially the whole car community is going to be outlawed. We won't be able to do what we love to do, like going to meets and car shows and having fun with our cars. On top of the government already trying to ban gas-powered vehicles, there would be no more meets, no more shows, maybe no more motorsport. It could also potentially put a ban to legal burnout and donut competitions, or skid, whatever they call it in Australia, which would mean no Hoonigan Barnyard, which that would make the Hoonigan Barnyard sad. Don't make the Hoonigan Barnyard sad. It is such a happy place. Sim cars cost $100 to attend. At least that's what I got on the internet, but $100. I am broke, and I could scrape up $100 to enter a legal burnout competition. Unfortunately, there's nothing like Cletus and Cars or the Barnyard in Cincinnati, because it's Cincinnati and fun is probably illegal here, because it seems to be that way. By the way, I am not against fun. I freaking love spirited driving, which is a nice way of saying driving like a maniac on a back road. There's a lot of precautions I take. I try to do it as safely as possible so nobody gets hurt. Not anybody else or me. And it's kind of selfish to do something that's going to could make the whole car community look bad. I mean, it does. A lot of people already look down on the car community. So, I don't know. Pretty much what I'm saying is, don't block city streets when you know there's people trying to buy milk or eggs or something. Just find an abandoned parking lot. They're everywhere. Freaking Cincinnati has an abandoned parking lot like every couple blocks. Man, my throat is really dry. But yeah, like, hell, you could probably make money. Freaking call a local official, say, hey, what's good? This is what I want to do. It is an abandoned parking lot. Charge a $5 entry fee. Make money. Don't make the whole car community look bad, just so a small percentage of the car community can have fun. But anyway, have fun. Do pretty much whatever you want, as long as you're not endangering other people. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.